can hear me in the background because you've seen me already. But this is not, it's not the 70, but it's the group vibing. I won't give you the names because I want a disclosure. We're here for sound check. Thanks for saying hi. This is Beckalicious. Dude, that's her name, you know, Beckalicious. And we got the stage. Basil and I on sound checking and Leon. Hope you can hear me with So that's it, guys. Have a good evening. Sorry you can't be here. Show them your eyes, baby. Show them your eyes. Oh, don't be. Oh, show them the good eyes. That's it. See how pretty he is?